Hey man, what's the word, YouTube, man? It's your boy Cardi, man. I'll bring y'all back with another vid, man. What's the word, YouTube, man? It's your boy Cardi, man. I'll bring y'all back with another vid, man. As y'all can tell from the thumbnail and the title, man, I'm gonna be test driving a Redeye.
Okay.
It's my first time ever driving a Redeye, bro. I ain't never done no fucking Redeye.
That was a fucking lie.
So we about to see this shit here now. Hope everything goes smooth, you feel me? Hope I don't smack out, you feel me? We should be chilling, bro. We really just in here listening for that wine. This is the cameraman. 5 minutes away though. So we about to draw this bitch here. Everything goes smooth and shit. Shit, nothing, all that extra shit, man.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
Fire blow my shit. Baby, you gon' blow my high. Don't make me show my good nigga.
Hey man, smooth, yeah. What type of intake is this?
Bruh. Redeye intakes.
Start. Yeah, yeah, I'm on some chill shit today, for real. I ain't even gonna lie.
Boy!
Yo, good as hell, everything's good as hell. Hold on. About to see what this bitch. Got the radar in this bitch. Let's see.
Oh my god!
Damn. But we can all get in. We can all get in so I can drive it. See if this bitch in for real. Do a test drive. We just go around this shit. I ain't trying to go too far because I don't know if it's a striker or not. Do a test drive. We ain't gonna go too far. You gonna hop in with us, but I'm not trying to go too far because I don't know if it's a striker or not. So we just about to drive like up there.
I'm not gonna lie to you. There's no test drives without purification.
Alright, y'all, man. I'm sorry for the short video, man, but yeah, that's really it, bro. I ain't really recording much, but I need to start recording, gang. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Look funny to my man. Don't mind how I look right now, bro. I look slow as hell. But yeah, bro, that motherfucker's really a striker, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I done looked it up. But this video, everything I seen in this video is all cap. This is not real. You feel me? But yeah, bro. I ain't really tripping on it for real. I showed dog proof of funds and everything, but then he talking about he wanted to hold it and go. Like he wanted us to go. He hold the cheese and he wanted us to go. I'm like, man, I ain't doing that shit, man. You crazy. I even asked, bro, you can get in the car. He didn't even want to do it. So I'm like, man, fucking ain't even that deep, man. So we just went somewhere else, bro. I already had another one on the floor. Shit, bro. You know, I'm doing this just to get videos for y'all until I get my scat, man. You feel me? So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Make sure y'all like, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. I need to start sending in my intro, bro. Yeah, make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. And, shoot, stay tuned with me, man. Turn on that post notifications, man. It's gonna be coming soon, real soon, for real. So, yeah, I'm gonna get up with y'all boys in a minute, yeah.